The Sardar Sarovar Dam in India has been surrounded by controversy since its construction. While it submerged around 244 villages, it also provides irrigation to about 1.8 million hectares of land and generates 1,450 megawatt of electricity. Is the cost worth the benefits? In today's video, we'll explore the various impacts of dam construction. Dams are any artificial barrier built over rivers and streams to retain and store water. People often confuse a dam with a reservoir and use the term interchangeably, but they are actually different things. They are, however, related. A dam is a physical structure that retains water, while a reservoir is the water body created by the stored water. The area of the river that is located behind the dam is referred to as upstream. Water collects and forms reservoir in this area. The area below the dam where the river flows is referred as downstream. Based on its size, dam can be either large dams or small dam. Today's video will focus specially on the impact of large dam. But first, what exactly is a large dam? According to the international standards, large dams are those that are either 15 meters or more in height, or have reservoir storage capacity exceeding 1 million cubic meter. Some well-known examples include Hoover Dam, Bhakra Dam, and so on. Dams play a vital role in the development process. They provide electricity to millions of people by generating hydropower. They also help in checking floods by regulating water flow. Another important benefit of dam is irrigation. The water stored in the reservoir can ensure a steady supply of water even during dry season. This stored water also supply clean drinking water in remote areas. In addition to these practical uses, dams create recreational opportunities. Reservoirs formed by dams are ideal for activities like boating, fishing, tourism, etc., which boost local economy. While dams offer undeniable benefits, they also come with many drawbacks. Let's take a closer look at this disadvantage. First, let's look at its impact upstream. The water level rises and submerges large area of land. In some cases, the entire village may be submerged, while in other cases, the land may be partially submerged, which disrupts the livelihood of the people. Tehri Dam, one of the tallest dams in India, has affected about 112 villages. As a result of this submergence, the inhabitants are often forced to relocate, leading to the migration to other areas in search of new livelihood. It is reported that the Kaptai Dam of Bangladesh has forced about 40,000 Chakma people to migrate to Arunachal Pradesh and another 20,000 to Myanmar. Submergence of forests also release greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide. They can also disrupt fisheries. The dam can block their fish migration route or they can delay their migration. As a result, the migrating species suffer increased predation. Many of them also face strays and injuries. The population of fish like salmon, trouts, then sturgeon, etc. has been significantly affected. It is also believed that Three Gorges Dam is directly responsible for the extinction of a fish named Baiji. There is also loss of forest land as forest areas are cleared for construction sites or are submerged in reservoir. This affects the wildlife population. For instance, when the Kaptai Dam of Bangladesh was built, large area of forest in Chittagong hill tracts were flooded, which led to disappearance of species like bison, sambur, barking deer, elephant, etc. from that area. The silt and sediment also settle in the reservoir, which reduces its storage capacity. It can also contribute to reservoir-induced seismicity or earthquake. The earthquake measuring 6.3 on a Richter scale that occurred in the Koyna area of Maharashtra on 10th December 1967 is a well-known case of reservoir-induced seismicity. There may be stagnation and waterlogging in the areas surrounding the reservoir. Such water stagnation increases the breeding ground for many vector-borne diseases such as malaria, encephalitis, river blindness, etc. Microclimatic changes can also occur due to the large amount of water stored in the reservoir. Those were some of its impact upstream. Now let's examine some of its impact downstream. The reduced water level downstream reduces the moisture availability for the surrounding ecosystem, leading to microclimatic change. The fertility of the land along the river will also be reduced as the sediment carrying nutrients are trapped in reservoir. It affects agriculture. There might also be the intrusion of salt water at the river mouth. Like upstream, the stagnant water downstream also increases the risk of outbreak of vector-borne diseases. Moreover, water which is released from the lower part of the reservoir is often colder than the natural river water, which can affect the breeding of several native species. In conclusion, while dams offer significant benefits such as hydropower, flood control, water supply, etc., they also cause a lot of environmental problems. So it's always important to consider both sides when building dams so that we can protect the environment. Thanks for watching.